Because 5 is not there, sir.
Yes, the
Sir,
first set 2 is not in second set. We should see the elements of first set are exist in second or not. Second set elements we should not see.
Okay, sir.
So it is false as 2 is not in second set. What about fourth one?
sir,
So
true.
true.
True. Because A exists
A
in
is
second
present.
set. Yes, so it is true. Next, fifth one.
False, sir.
How?
False, sir.
How it is
Sir,
false?
they have given.
That is a subset, sir, but they are given belongs to,
So
sir.
true, sir.
Belongs. See that ma, the difference between these two. Subset will use between sets only. Belongs to is used to element of set to a set. Do you understand what I said? When we use the subset, both sides will consider sets only. There we'll use subset. When we use the belongs to, the left side will take the element and the right side will take the set. Whether the element exists in the set, we will say that belongs to. If the element does not exist in the set, we will say that it does not belong to. Is it clear, ma?
Yes,
The
sir.
third one, sorry, the fifth one. It is given set of A. This belongs to set of ABC. Since the left side part is given as a set, so this is false. Suppose if the question is given A belongs to set of ABC, how can you support that? A is an element or set here?
The element.
Element. Element is belongs to the given set or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that it is true in this case. Since it is given set left side also, both side sets we must use subset. Then we can say whether it is subset or not. So that it is false. Next, sixth one. X says that X is an even natural number less than 6. So what is the set? Can you tell me? Even natural number less than 6.
2,
2,
2,
2
4.
and 4. Subset of another set. X says that X is a natural number which divides 36. So what are the divisors of 36? 1, 2,
2, 3, 4,
3, 4,
6.
6,
6.
9, next 12, 18, and 36. This is what you have to write. Write in roster form, then compare this. Whether it is a subset or not.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
first set, two elements also exist in the next set, so that it is subset. So the given statement is true or false?
True, sir.
It is
Sir.
true, that's it. If you observe that, what are the elements that are given in set A? This is one element, 1, 2. Here, set of 3, 4 is completely one element. 5 is an element. What are the elements in set A? What are the elements in set A?
So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5.
1, 2, the set of 3, 4 will not consider as a set, will consider it as an element. And 5 is separately one more element. If it is clear about this set of 3, 4 as an element, then we can easily answer these questions. So the first one, set of 3, 4, subset of A. Usually in the previous question we discussed if both sides sets are exist, then we'll use this symbol, right? Or else we'll use belongs to. So In this case, is it a set or element?
Element.
Is it a set or element?
Element.
Element. When it is an element, so is this statement is true or false?
False.
False. So the first one is false, incorrect. So go to the next one. So the second one is set of 3, 4 belongs to A. Usually belongs to will use to represent element and set. But here in this question, it seems to be set. But usually, as per the given set of A, the set of 3, 4 is not a set. Set of 3, 4 is an element. So, is this element set of 3, 4 belongs to A or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, is the statement true or false?
True.
True. Then go to the third one. So, I'll say the third one. Set of, this is set of 3, 4 is an element, right? Subset of A. Set of one element is given. So, is this subset of A or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, since set 1 is set 1 and set 1, 2, 3, for example, is given. So, first set elements 1 is existing second set, so that we will say that it is a subset. By using the same concept, here set of element set of 3, 4 is existing given set A, so that it is a subset. Do you all understand these three concepts, these three questions?
Yes, sir.
If anybody did not understand, you ask me. So it's clear to you all, right? Whether you have a doubt or it's clear.
Clear, sir.
Right.
Sir, it's clear.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. The fourth one. 1 belongs to A is given. 1 is an element, belongs to A. Is it true or false?
True, sir.
True. Fifth one. 1 subset A. True or false? Subset is used between two sets, but one is an element. So that is it a true or false? False.
False.
That's it, it's false. Here it is given statement or incorrect or correct. So if you want, instead of true or false, you can write correct, incorrect also. And next, go to the sixth one. Set of 1 to 5 is a subset of A or not?
Sir,
True.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it is true. Set of 1 to 5 belongs to A.
Sir, false.
False. Why it is false, ma?
Because
Sir,
it is
belongs
set.
to belongs to
Sir,
element
it is
and
an
set,
element,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Not a set.
Element can be belongs to the set, but set never belongs to a set. So that it is false. Next. Eighth one. Set of 1, 2, 3 subset of A.
False, sir.
Sir, false.
Set of 1, 2, 3 a subset of A is false. Why it is false now?
Because 3 is given in brackets, sir.
3 does not belong to set A. So that it is false. See, you should not consider 3 is here, na, sir. So why it is does not belong? Here, this whole element is set of 3, 4 only. 3, 4 separately we cannot take. So that it is false. Next, ninth one. 5 belongs to A.
False,
5
sir.
belongs to A. 5 means what is it? Null set. That means this is a set. Belongs to set A. Is it true or false?
False, sir.
False,
As
sir.
both sides sets are given, it is false. Next, come to the 10th one. 5 subset A. 5 means null set. We discussed in the previous class, the concept is null set is subset of every set, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So is it true or false?
So true.
False,
Sir,
sir.
True, because this is null set. Null set is subset of every set. So that 5 is subset of set A. So it is true. Is it clear? Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Right. Go to the next one. See, this is null set. This is 5. We'll represent 5 or null set. When we represent 5 as an element of null set. So null set consists of an element as a null set. That is the meaning of this. So is it a null set or not now? This symbol is represent to null set, or this is also represent to null set. So in this case, this is null set. This null set has an element as a null set. 5 is null set, we know that. It consists of one element which is null set. Do you understand what I said now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So is it a null set or not now?
Null set, sir.
Null set consists of an element null set. So set does not consist of any element, then only it is null set. But in this case, null set already has the null set as an element. Is it a null set or not now?
No, not a null set, sir.
This is not a null set. Since null set consists of a null set as an element. So what can you say about this one? 11th one.
False, sir.
It is false. If it is given any one symbol, as null set is a subset of every set, it is correct as 10th one which is given. When it comes to the 11th one, the left side part is consisting a set as an element of null set, so that it is false. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Sir, A.
Not only A. If you write
Sir,
all the
AB.
subset of set A, first one is 5 is a subset. Next, set A is itself is one subset. Right?
Yes, sir.
So go to the second one. Set AB is given. What are the subsets?
Sir, 5,
5,
A and B.
set A, set B, and set of AB. Then go to the third one. What are the subsets of third one?
So 5,
5,
1, subset of 1.
set 1,
Set 2,
set 2,
set 3,
set of
Set
3, set of 1,
and
2,
set of
3.
1, 2, 3.
That's it. And fourth one.
So set of 1, 2,
Yes, my yes.
1, 3.
Yes. Set of 1, 2, set of 1, 3, and
2, 3.
set of 2, 3 also. These are the subsets. Because as it consists of 3 elements, we should get 8 subsets as we generalize the formula 2 power n. Next, here how many elements are there in fourth one? 5 means it doesn't have any elements, right? That means the number of elements are, we'll consider 0 to substitute in the formula. So 5 is subset of every set. So that phi is one set. The next one is phi is a subset of itself, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
But in this case, both also same, so we can represent only one. So the subsets of phi is phi only. Suppose phi consists of, if you find the number of elements of this, phi consists of 0 number of elements. So there are no elements. We should not write 0 also in the set. That is consists of one element. We should not write phi in the set. It consists of one element. If you write only one brackets without any elements, so that we can say it is null set. And if we come to the number of elements in the null set, there are no elements, so number of elements of null set is 0. So total number of subsets formula is 2 power n. So here n is number of elements, 2 power 0. 2 power 0 value is, what is it? 2 power 0? 1, no, 1. A power 0 is 1 where a not equal to 0. So that it has only one subset. Like that also you can check out. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So set A is given 5. So number of elements are, write the power set. So P of A. Power set of A. What are the subsets of this? What are the subsets of pi?
The 5.
Yes, phi itself. In the previous question we discussed, the last one. The subsets of phi or null set is null set itself. So power set means set of all subsets. So set of we have to write. So number of elements. How many number of elements are there? In phi. In phi. We should not take this one. This is just for power set only. So number of subsets only consider it. So number of elements in this. Number of elements of subset is, how many are there?
One, sir.
N of A. Phi. Phi means how many elements are there? Phi means null
5
set. How many
elements.
elements are there?
Sir, no elements.
No element means will represent as mathematically 0. Right? So
Yes,
P of A
sir.
is set of 5. Subset of all subsets. Set of all subsets is called power set of A. So number of elements in P of A. Power set of A is 2 power n, here also formula. So 2 power 0 is nothing but 1. That's it. So this power set consists of only one subset. That's the meaning of this. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
0. So when it consists of number of elements, so we'll write it as number of elements. Number of elements are 0. How many number of subsets set A has? So number of subsets. Formula is 2 power n. So here 2 power 0, the answer is 1. So set A consists of only one subset. Now power set of A. As per the definition of power set of A, set of all subsets. This is set of, how many subsets are there? Only one. So number of subsets, instead of elements, write number of subsets. How many are there? Number of subsets. How many number of subsets are there in this power set?
One.
It has only one subset. A subset, how many elements it has?
0,
Sir,
sir.
1.
How many elements it has, ma? Number of subsets, 1, ma.
One,
The
sir.
subset is nothing but 5 only, right? So 5, how many number of elements it has? So here 1 is fixed. Number of subsets, only 1. What is the subset? The subset is 5. 5 means null set. How many number of elements are there in 5?
Sir, 0.
0.
Sir,
That's
0.
therefore number of elements in power set P of A. Formula is same like number of subsets only, because number of subsets, how many are there? Those number of elements are there in power set. So 2 power 0. So that the answer is 1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.